Why you gotta act so shady? Why you gotta act so shady, baby? Why you gotta do me like that, boy? I thought I was just your lady. I thought I was just your lady, baby. Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta turn your back on me? I ignored the red flag that was so clear to see. Then you showed me your ass, and now the thought of you, it makes me weak.
Not in a good way.
And it's funny how I can't stand you now. And yes, your ass gon' stay blocked on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you ever get motivated to reach out, just think again, because I'm done with your ass. It's too damn bad how you switch up so fast, so fast. 1 minute you love me, then you hate me. Got me going crazy. Why you gotta act so shady? Told you my truth, used it against me like a baby. And it really taught me shit. Won't never let you play me again, my friend. Cause in the end, I'ma leave you in the past. I'm done with your ass, your shady ass. I'm done with your ass, done with your ass. Done with your ass. I said I'm done with your ass. Let me say it again. I said I'm done with your ass. If you didn't